Hello guys, my name is Malik. So today we'll be discussing on how I use ChatGPT to create a business plan in 5 minutes, step by step guide. So I'll be showing you. If you don't know what this video is talking about, so this video is definitely talking about usage of AI tools and the ability for you to use AI tools. So just don't worry, you can use any AI tool, but on this video we're going to be talking about using ChatGPT for this, and you can use ChatGPT to run this prompt. So it's not about knowing how to generalize your expertise on ChatGPT to get it. You see, anyone can do it, but when it comes to one thing about prompt, so that is where prompt comes in. Are you willing to prompt? Are you able to prompt? Can you prompt? What's your ability on prompt? Have you learned prompting? You see, yeah, I can tell you that I can build a business plan within 5 minutes, but yeah, it's still going to give me trash. And you might say, if what a 5 minute business plan does not make sense. So, but it all comes to the ability of prompts. So once you can prompt, then you're good to go. You see, AI has come to the world to just save three things: boost productivity, save time, and make profits, make more profit for you. So that is what we believe in using artificial intelligence. So today, we'll be discussing more on building a business plan in 5 minutes, step by step guide. So, what is behind the 5 minutes? What's behind the time is a good prompt. You see, in computer, once you give out a garbage, a computer results it back as garbage for you. If you give it the opposite way, it still gives you back the normal way. So, if you are still paying to write business plan, I just made a one in 5 minutes um using AI. So let me show you. I'll show you how to do the same in this video, and I'll walk you through exactly how I use ChatGPT to generate complete customized business plan for any idea. See whether it's an estate or an AI startup or side hustle. This works for everything, and it works for every industry. This prompt has worked for 6 industries, right? So it works for every industry. It works for the just name it, any kind of business that you're coming from the background, it works for it. So further ado, so let's go. So the first step in doing this, the first step in doing this is go to open AI, like open ChatGPT. Then you see, you check on the free or paid plan. So you can use either the free or paid plan. It's free for you. Anyone can use the free. Like, it doesn't care about the kind of model you use. Like, if you have a pro plan, that's okay. Or GPT 3.5 or 4 point, all of them are all the same. It comes to one thing, like I said, it's all about knowing how to prompt. So let's dive in and let's dive in and so step two is you are going to open ChatGPT. So this is, like I said, this is my ChatGPT interface. So for those of us that have ChatGPT, it's very simple. You just need to insert the prompt here. So this is the prompt. So we're going to copy our prompt. So act as a business consultant. I want to you insert maybe your business idea or any kind of business. We want to insert, for example, a cleaning service. Create a full business plan, including the executive summary, the problem and solution, the target audience, the marketing plan, the monetization model, the startup cost, and 6 month growth strategy. Is going to do that for us. So boom, we are going to copy it. So once we copy it, we drag it and move it down to this aspect. So we are then now going to paste it here. So we paste it, and we are, like I said, I'm just going to edit some few things here. So act as a business consultant. I want to start a a business idea, e.g. Let me remove the AI powered cleaning service. Let's just add it as a cleaning service. Create a full business plan, including the monetization model and all of that. So blah blah blah. Now it doesn't care about any kind of model you use. The most important thing here and the most important value in this video is learning how to prompt to give you the result of creating a business plan. Maybe if you are struggling or you have been brainstorming, AI is going to give you this step by step. So now we are now going to enter. So right now it's going to write it for us. So mom is writing it for us. So whoa, this is what it has said. It's good. It will just move us straight to the point. So this is straight to the point. So no need of it's actually generated. So there's no need of all the shambles. It's going to, so like I said, number one, it brought out the executive summary. So the business name is it even gives us a business name. The name is Spark and Shine Cleaning Service. Wow. The business model is Spark and Shine is a professional cleaning service offering residential, commercial, and short-term rental cleaning. We specialize in eco-friendly product, tech-enabled booking, exceptional customer service to stand out in the competitive market. So it even gave our mission, and this is all about the executive summary, and a mission to make homes, businesses sparkle with reliable, affordable, and high-quality cleaning service done with a personal touch and a professional edge. This is what is under executive summary. So this is easy. So you can see how AI developed this for us. So easy. Anyone can do it. You can do it. It's so easy. So two is prompt and solution. You see, people are too busy to clean. So it's going to give you the problem and at the same time give you the solution in the market. So it's going to analyze the market or generalize the market and give you the results of the problem and solution. So you see, people are too busy to clean regularly, trust and reliability, difficulty in finding affordable, high quality cleaning service, lack of consistent standards, cleaning service, property management, and NBFA cost solutions, and all of that. So in number three, it gives us the target audience. So we can see our target audience, and it even gives us the primary market and secondary market. So wow, this is just simple. The prompt was in fact it's lost less than 5 minutes. So busy professional ages 25 to 45, working families, dual incomes, property managers, and Airbnb hosts, small business or owners with office space, secondary market, senior needing equipment, realtors are needing pre-sales cleaning, event planners needing post-event cleaning. For marketing plan, friendly modern branding with trust and inspiring visuals. So this is under marketing plan. So under marketing plan, it brought out the branding, the channels, and in the monetization model, it brought out the revenue streams. Is a structure of our monetization model. It gave us the revenue streams, pricing model, startup costs, pricing model, the revenue stream, and the startup costs, the items that we use, and it even gave us the estimated cost of using it. So if you're in US, so this is the estimated cost, but I don't know, blah blah blah. But this is what this prompt secured. It's simple. So this is very easy. So it gave us even a 6 month growth strategies. It even gave us a month 1 to 2 foundation. Register the business, build a website, launch Google My Business and social media pages. Start with friends and family as a first client, blah blah blah. Month 5 to 6. So this is what the prompt generated for us in less than 5 minutes. So anyone, like I said, from any business or any background, this prompt can be used. You just need, so if you have been brainstorming on any business idea, you feel maybe you have written, you counseled, you strategized, just give it to AI and allow AI to assist you, and any kind of AI tool that will assist you. But the most important thing is all about prompting. So if your prompt has more garbage, then I'm so sorry for you, but it's not going to be possible with this my prompt. So all I need the prompt is in the description below. I just need you to download it, add your own command into it, like, hey, give me a cloth branding a cloth branding business, and boom, it's going to give you that. So anyone from any background can do this. So any business, if it's an online business, this AI is going to build it for you. So thank you very much for watching this video, and boom, make sure you subscribe and like this video for more videos like this to come. So thank you guys.